Another way to transfer from your computer or the software to a handheld is to simply drag and drop. You can see I've got one calculator attached or connected. I can simply click on what I want transferred and drag it down, and it will transfer that document to the handheld. When I click on it, transfers, and I can see right there at the match table grid. And what I can also do is transfer backwards. So if I want to collect this data, I can collect. So let's say I want the Summer Academy warm-up, and I can transfer it back, and now it goes from the handheld to the computer. And then when I click on it, I can see the students' responses.